Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And today's music video reaction, this is a song which is a collaboration between Raftaar and Brodha V. Brodha V I already love so much. I just absolutely, I'm a huge Brodha V fan now. And Raftaar, yes, getting into Raftaar's discography also slowly. Only, saw Raftaar's rap prowess when I did the listening reaction of the entire Still Here album. So yes, I definitely want to look into this collab, and from there only I found out that Raftaar actually did a collab with Brodha V. I read it in a couple of few of you commented there. So yes, this is a song which is called Naachne Ka Shauk, and this is officially released by the Z Music Company, and it came in 2019. So I definitely want to see what the song is about. This is such a different, I don't know what the song's gonna be. So let's just see. Naachne Ka Shauk. Wow. Okay.
What you gang?
Oh, it's gonna be like the
Just bloody shoes. You're lame for the fame, bro. रफ्तार ब्रदर वी जो मैं आज लिखता हूँ वो कल बिकता है, मैं आज करता हूँ वो कल दिखता है, मैं बीत सीखता हूँ तभी फल मिलता, जो मेहनत करे आज वही कल टिकता है, मेरे खून में बहती सियाही, मेरे नब्ज़ों में बसती लिखाई, मेरे दिल से कलम पे जो उतर के आई, मेरे हाथों ने मेरी आंखों को दुनिया दिखाई, मेरा फ्लो लाए शो, मेरा फ्लो लाए डो, मेरा फ्लो आए तो मेरे भाई बोले बाकियों का हो परे हो, मेरा फ्लो जंप मैन जैसे जॉर्डन, ध्यान रखूं सबका मैं जैसे कोई गॉर्डन, कभी करूं बोर्डिंग फ्लाइट इंडिया में कभी फॉरेन, मैन करे फ्लाई वो भी फ्री जैसे मॉर्गन, पंचलाइन सब्लिमिनल सिनिकली सीन पर लिरिकली क्रिमिनल, वर्बली फिजिकल स्टाइल नहीं टिपिकल, मेरे गाने समझना इनको लगता काफी डिफिकल्ट, वैसे गानों पे हो जाते 100 मिल, ऐसे गानों पे होना है मुश्किल, मैं हूँ गोकू किससे भिड़ाएगा, बेटा खामा खा में तू कामेहामेहा खाएगा, इन्हें नाचने का शौक है, इन्हें नाचने का शौक, इन्हें नाचने का शौक है, इन्हें नाचने का शौक है, इन्हें नाचने का शौक, बस नाचने का शौक है, इन्हें नाचने का शौक है, इन्हें नाचने का शौक, इन्हें नाचने का शौक है, इन्हें नाचने का शौक है, इन्हें नाचने का शौक, बस नाचने का शौक है.
Put in the effort and I waited so long, waking up every day motivated to break up a storm. Invade the nation with the bars that be made in hip-hops, but all I ever hear is they ain't gonna be playing my song on TV. I'm sitting here wondering why these heads of programming just started and hide.
ना इन्हें कुछ भी न समझ आए, ब्रदर बी मेरे भाई कर हिंदी ट्राई.
Okay, काफी टाइम हो गया है मुझे आए, पर टीवी वालों ने मेरे गाने नहीं चलाए, मेरी बातें इन्हें समझ न आए, मेरे रैप इनके लिए पहेलियां हैं भाई, ये नाचेंगे ऐसे ही बीट पे, ये कोरस गाएंगे रिपीट पे, जिन्होंने कभी खुद ना म्यूजिक बनाया, ये सारे के सारे they trying to teach me. स्लो मेरा करियर, यहाँ काफी ज्यादा लैंग्वेज बैरियर, हिंदी में मेरा हाथ थोड़ा टाइट, वरना पहले ही होता मैं बॉम्बे की फ्लाइट में, बातें जितनी सच उतना पैसा कम, गाना उतना हिट जितनी धम धम, काम वाले बोले डील करो लमसम, बीट और रैप का दोनों का रकम कम.
इन्हें नाचने का शौक है, इन्हें नाचने का शौक, इन्हें नाचने का शौक है, इन्हें नाचने का शौक है, इन्हें नाचने का शौक, बस नाचने का शौक है, इन्हें नाचने का शौक है, इन्हें नाचने का शौक, इन्हें नाचने का शौक है.
Sorry, I'm pausing here just one second. I wanna watch, go back a little bit. Is this looks like a diss song, but I have a doubt. Are they dissing the viewers? The viewers who don't care about lyrics and anything, but just care about the beats. That's what Brodha was also saying. Like, repeat पे line डालते हैं and beat धम धम होता है तो वो hit हो जाता है. Wow. और then Raftaar's line is also that आप जितनी भी reality लिखो गाना उतना कम hit होता है. हाँ, बातें जितनी सच उतना पैसा कम. Yes.
जितनी सच उतना पैसा कम, गाना उतना हिट जितनी धम धम, काम वाले बोले डील करो लमसम, बीट और रैप का दोनों का रकम कम.
इन्हें नाचने का शौक है, इन्हें नाचने का शौक, इन्हें नाचने का शौक है, इन्हें नाचने का शौक है, इन्हें नाचने का शौक, बस नाचने का शौक है, इन्हें नाचने का शौक है, इन्हें नाचने का शौक, इन्हें नाचने का शौक है, इन्हें नाचने का शौक है, इन्हें नाचने का शौक.
Amazing.
They just wanna dance now. They just wanna dance now. They just wanna dance now. They just wanna dance now.
ये नाचते नाचते झूल गए, जाने ये कितना सकूल गए, डिस्को में गानों पे ठुमके लगा के ये जीने का मकसद ही भूल गए, ये नाचते नाचते झूल गए, जाने ये कितना सकूल गए, डिस्को में गानों पे ठुमके लगा के ये जीने का मकसद ही भूल गए. The thing goes skirra, मैं रैप करूं खा खा खा, जो रैपर है back, उन्हें सुनते हो आप गिरे क्या तुम पुम गुची गैंग कम सुन जल्दी से आंखें खोलो जिनके होश है गुम 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 इन्हें नाचने का शौक है इन्हें नाचने का शौक इन्हें नाचने का शौक है इन्हें नाचने का शौक है इन्हें नाचने का शौक बस नाचने का शौक है इन्हें नाचने का शौक है इन्हें नाचने का शौक इन्हें नाचने का शौक है इन्हें नाचने का शौक है इन्हें नाचने का शौक बस they just wanna dance now they just wanna dance now they just wanna dance now they just wanna dance now
Mic drop.
Brother V, Raftar.
इन्हें नाचने का शौक है इन्हें नाचने का शौक इन्हें नाचने का शौक है इन्हें नाचने का शौक है इन्हें नाचने का शौक बस नाचने का शौक है
Awesome. Just awesome. That's what I'm guessing. Please correct me if I'm wrong. What I'm guessing is that both of them are dissing to the viewers who listen to these kind of music जहाँ पे सिर्फ उन्हें नाचने का शौक है और कुछ नहीं, उनको कोई मतलब नहीं है लिरिक्स क्या है, क्या बोला जा रहा है, किसके बारे में गाना चल रहा है. Nothing. It's just if you put a good beat, it'll become a hit. So it's wow. मतलब ये तो अलग ही लेवल पे डिस चला गया. एक मतलब किसी कंटेम्प्रेरी को भी नहीं, सीधा सीधा हम लोगों को पे डिस. हाँ, all of like collectively the masses who generally listen to these kind of songs and ignore the lyrics. Yes. And and this came in 2019, but the fact remains that in 2021 also, this is true. This thing is relevant only. मतलब अभी भी तो वैसे ही गाने वायरल हो रहे हैं ना, जिसमें आपका बीट्स बहुत अच्छा होता है and then you just put like basic lyrics also, but if you make it sound really groovy, it's gonna go viral and it's gonna become a hit. It gets more views because इन्हें नाचने का शौक है. Yes. Oh wow. Firstly, both of them sound amazing. I think the first time when Prodhavi started rapping in Hindi, now my God, my heart exploded. Really, he sounds fantastic. Let's talk about Raftar first. This is probably the second proper rap song of Raftar that I'm listening, and I love it. He sounds amazing. He has this unbelievable raspiness in his voice, which makes him sound like a boss. Like he sounds, Raftar is the kind of rapper in two songs only. This is the second rap of his that I'm listening. He sounds very intimidating. मतलब I feel वो कुछ भी rap करेगा, he will sound very very intimidating, and it completely, like the kind of voice he has, it absolutely grabs your attention as a viewer, as a listener basically. So I really like that about his voice. This really, I don't know, some weird raspiness he has. I don't know what he does for his, like how he modulates his voice and stuff like that. Because I've heard him talking and he sounds very different when he's rapping. So I don't know what kind of vocal coaching or exercise or whatever he does to modulate his voice like that, because he just sounds fantastic. The entire the way he was rapping, it completely went with his looks. He, like I said, he looked also intimidating in the song. He absolutely looked fantastic. His overall aura, I mean, he has a very great personality. I feel personality wise Raftar is just, he's on another level, I feel. Then comes Prodhavi. Matlab, I am a huge fan now. I'm a huge fan. I mean, when I got into Desi hip hop, Prodhavi was the first rapper जिसके raps और जो गाने हैं मैंने सुनना start किया. I instantly became a fan of Prodhavi. Instantly, I love the way he raps because Prodhavi has a very unique style, which gives him a very unique identity where he raps also. He is a trained singer, classical singer as well. There is always, like in his song, there is always rap plus melody plus classical touch, which I've never ever, like in my life, I've never listened to those kind of songs ever. So whenever I watch Prodhavi, there's a sense of freshness, a sense of uniqueness that I always get. And here also, again with Prodhavi, I feel every time I watch him, he just surprises me. Here the Hindi rap was just fabulous. It's just both of them, and this collaboration is everything. It's just beautiful. Both of their voices just, you know, it sounded very contrasting and yet it went together so well. So that's about these two artists. Third are the lyrics, definitely. You know, it's a diss only. It's a diss to all of us, where you see there are clips of you know, people who are dancing in the disco. जैसे उसमें रफ्तार की लाइन थी where he said कि मतलब डिस्को में नाचते नाचते भूल ही गए कि जिंदगी का पर्पस क्या है. Those lines were just fantastic. Every line is meaningful. Every line has a punch, or you know, the bars are awesome. This is the new word I learned. Now I'm going to use it everywhere. Don't mind, guys. Don't mind. But I felt that you know, this was a very, I didn't even expect कि मतलब ऐसा गाना होगा जिसमें audience को ही diss कर रहे हैं. So I think this was fantastic. Then the beats. I mean, even if it's a diss of things like the kind of songs where viewers are more attracted towards the song where the beats are nice, this offers you both. मतलब बीट भी है, पागल की तरह आप नाच भी सकते हो इसमें, but the lyrics are also bang on. Like that, this is a banger. This song is a banger overall. I loved it overall. This was very enjoyable to watch, and this collaboration was beautiful. So yes, thank you once again for the recommendation. And you know, a lot of you have asked me, like, there are many new rappers whose names you guys have suggested. I will slowly get into them as well. But yes, अब जैसे मैंने रफ्तार का थोड़ा discography, I want to go in depth. Then you guys told me like Badshah's channel, like his album, that also has like great lyrics, and you know, that's really like very different from his commercial stuff. So I definitely want to check that out. Anyway, I've already gotten into it, but I definitely want to go in depth. Then there is MC Stan. I think that is he's one more rapper who has released a new song, and apparently he's also great. Then Mufar. There's so many names now. I have seen the comments and I've taken a note of it. So yeah, slowly I'm definitely gonna get more into the Desi hip hop, and I'm thoroughly enjoying the journey of Desi hip hop, getting into Desi hip hop, learning new stuff, and just enjoying, you know, this kind of music now. And yeah, that was my reaction for Nachne Ka Shauk. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this reaction, guys, and I've come till the end of the video. And yep, I'll sign off now, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.